Okay, this is what I got today. This is my mouth. And this is my instasmile. Love. And it's so easy. They send you a mold in a box, and then in 2 weeks, maybe less, you get your brand new smile. I love this. I can eat with it. I spent a fortune on a partial at the dentist. Hate it. It's so bad. And I liked it so much, we have 2. I got them in 2 colors. This is the A1, which is not Hollywood white, but just white. And then I got the more mature A3. I can eat, I can do everything. I love this. You cannot beat it if you don't have them and you have bad teeth like I do. I'm missing all sorts of them. And I have big space in front of my teeth. Snap. Gotta have it. Best thing I've ever bought.